The world's highest mountain ranges, the Himalayas. Nestling in the folds of these mountain ranges is the state of Himachal Pradesh. But every winter, unknown to many of us, another unique natural phenomena takes place here. Himachal witnesses one of the most amazing spectacles seen anywhere in the world. Every winter, thousands of birds leave their freezing home in Tibet and Siberia and cross the mighty Himalayas to reach Pong Dam Wildlife Sanctuary in Himachal Pradesh. They arrive in thousands, turning the Pong Dam Sanctuary into an avian paradise. Migration is a natural phenomena that takes place all over the world every year. It is driven by changes in weather or habitat, and the need for food and climate in which a species can survive. Every winter, Himachal Pradesh in India becomes a popular destination for thousands of bar-headed geese and many other migratory birds. Situated in the Kangra district of Himachal Pradesh, the Pong Dam Wildlife Sanctuary covers almost 307 square kilometers in area. The largest freshwater wetland in India, Pong Dam also gives sanctuary to the largest populations of migratory birds, including bar-headed geese, Brahmani ducks, pochards, widgeons, shovelers, pintails, mallards, cormorants, coots, grebes, and a number of endemic wetland species such as gulls, terns, plovers, and waders. Over 2,000 kilometers north of Pong Dam is the Tibetan Plateau. As winter sets in, nature's seasonal drama begins to unfold. In Tibet, winter sets in rapidly. The colony of bar-headed geese are restless. Food is getting scarce. Lakes and feeding grounds are beginning to freeze. If they are to survive, they must start their southward journey to a warmer climate soon. Weak from hunger, time is running out for the geese. This could be their last chance to safety and survival. Spotting a strong jet stream, the leader suddenly makes the move. A loud signal, and he takes off to enter into the powerful jet stream. The flock joins him. The strong winds carry the geese high up into the skies, sometimes above 26,000 feet. Humans require oxygen aids even at 12,000 feet. But where the birds fly, the temperature is -40 and the air is thin with almost no oxygen. Yet, amazingly, these powerful birds climb higher, steadily flying for hours to cross the frozen mountain passes. This is one of the toughest and most dangerous migrations in the world. Helping the geese take on this incredible journey is their uniquely designed body. Nature has equipped the birds with extra air sacs that enable their lungs to soak all the oxygen available in the air they breathe, retain it, and provide a constant supply of oxygen to the bird's lungs at this height. As night falls, the geese use the stars to guide their passage. After crossing the high passes, the birds begin their descent. Flying over 2,000 kilometers without food and rest. Exhausted and tired, they finally touch down at their favorite wintering place. The welcoming warm waters of the Pong Dam. Situated at a height of about 450 meters above sea level, the Pong Dam, flanked by the magnificent Dhauladhar Range, offers a safe haven to these birds. Excitement is in the air as the first group of bar-headed geese land. They begin arriving in hundreds. Other species of birds from as far as Siberia also join them here. The Pong Dam resounds with the cacophony of bird sounds and turns into an hive of activity. With food in plenty, the birds feed peacefully. Pochards, northern pintails, bar-headed geese, Brahmini ducks, coots, cormorants, and various ducks, all sharing the placid waters of the Pong Dam. This will now be their winter home for almost 6 months. Home to over 395 bird species belonging to 54 different families, about 100 of these are waterfowl. The habitat diversity here is unique. Wetland habitats like mudflats, sandbanks, swamps, shallow and open deep water, unique to the Pong Dam, has helped attract the diverse species of birds. The Pong Dam wetland has been successful in sustaining the large population for years. It was declared a wetland of national importance and also globally acknowledged and accorded an international status as a Ramsar site in November 2002. Pong Dam has become a popular bird watcher's paradise. Bird watchers from all over the world arrive here to get a close glimpse of this unique wetland sanctuary. Some rest houses and resorts have opened up to cater to the needs of visitors and nature enthusiasts. With vast opportunities for the promotion of ecotourism, with existing recreational facilities including water sports, fishing and bird watching, efforts are being made to develop infrastructures around the Pong Dam. It has been very encouraging. An increase in the number of migratory and resident birds has been observed and recorded every year. Over 40,000 bar-headed geese and more than 42,000 pochards were counted here during the last census. The highest numbers of the birds recorded since the creation of the Pong Dam. It has been very encouraging. An increase in the number of migratory and resident birds has been observed and recorded every year. Over 40,000 bar-headed geese and more than 42,000 pochards were counted here during the last census. The highest numbers of the birds recorded since the creation of the Pong Dam.